What is up, you guys? This is PredWolf X6121, and today I'm gonna make a spicy ramen. Yeah. So what I'm gonna use is the leftover Taco Bell spicy packet stuff that my mom has in the fridge, and I'm also gonna use a ramen packet from the porch, and with that I'm gonna use some 5 pieces of chicken nuggets and 2 eggs that are gonna be hard boiled. Okay, I got the hot chili sauce from Wendy's, the mild spice from Taco Bell, and the fire from, again, Taco Bell. That's all there is to it. I got Maruchan ramen noodle soup chicken flavor, 2 eggs to hard boil, and 5 pieces of chicken nuggets based on serving size. I'm gonna use for the eggs is a smaller pot, and I'm gonna use the medium-sized pot for the noodles. So what I did, I put water in for the noodles and water for the eggs to boil. So I'm gonna boil the eggs for 12 minutes and 30 seconds straight. Same thing for the noodles because it's gonna be on the same stove, apparently. So without further ado, let's cook.
Different now. When you touch me, I can feel it under my skin. Scares me how you turn back now. Don't want you to blame me. So don't let me, don't let me, don't let me go. Oh, you make my heart beat faster when we get close. Just take my hand, baby, let's lose control. Even if it's a disaster, I gotta know. If it's you and me, babe, if it's what you need, babe, I gotta know. If it's you and me, babe, if it's what you need, babe, I gotta know. Said and done. It's okay, baby, nothing really lasts forever. For now, let's run towards the sun. Think it'd be better if you don't let me, don't let me, don't let me go. Oh, you make my heart beat faster when we get close. Just take my hand, baby, let's lose control. Even if it's a disaster, I gotta know. If it's you and me, babe, if it's what you need, babe, I gotta know. If it's you and me, babe, if it's what you need, babe, I gotta know.
Okay, so I finally make the ramen, and let's eat. Oh, I'm gonna use a napkin, even though it looks weird. Yeah, so. My lips are almost on fire. And I'm sipping a little bit because the amount of spice is in the noodles. But that's not my problem. I'm a fighter. Okay, last chicken nugget and the last hard-boiled egg. So, that is it. You guys, I ate all of it. So, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell for notifications so you won't even miss a thing, actually. And don't forget to share this with your friends and family. And don't forget to comment down below on what video should I make next. So I occasionally do mukbangs once in a while based on whatever I want to do something. Maybe it's because I'm bored. Who knows? So anyway, I'll see you guys in the next time. Peace out.